Hello friends, you are watching Hi-Fi Study. Today we can talk about solar system. There are 8 planets namely arranged in the order of increasing distance from the sun. These planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Mercury takes 58.65 Earth days to complete its one rotation on its axis and take 88 days to complete its one revolution on its orbit around the sun. Mercury is the fastest planet and it has no natural satellite like Moon. The next planet is Venus, which is also popular as an evening star and the morning star. It is the brightest celestial body in the universe after the sun and the moon. Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system. It is closest to the Earth. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete its one rotation on its axis and take 224.7 days to complete its one revolution in its orbit around the sun. Venus has no satellite and its spin is the opposite direction of the Earth, Earth's spin. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of beauty. The next planet is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun by the time. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Earth takes 23 or 56 minutes and 40 seconds to complete its rotation on its axis and take 365.26 days to complete its one revolution in its orbit around the Sun. Mass of the Earth is 5.98 into 1024 kg and its diameter is 12,756 km. Mean surface temperature of the Earth is 281 Kelvin. The mean maximum surface temperature is 310 Kelvin. Minimum surface temperature is 260 Kelvin. The major component of the Earth are nitrogen 78%, oxygen 20.95%, argon 0.930% and the carbon dioxide 0.039%. The next planet is Mars. Mars is known as the red planet of the solar system. Mars takes 24 or 37 minutes and 30 seconds to complete its rotation on its axis and takes 687 days to complete its one revolutions on its orbit around the sun. Mars has two satellites, namely Phobos means fair and Diomedes. Diomedes means terror. The next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter takes 9 or 50 minutes and 30 seconds to complete its rotation on its axis and take 12 Earth years to complete its one revolution in its orbit around the sun. Jupiter has 63 natural satellites like Moon. Significant of them are Europa, Ganymede, Callisto, etc. among all. Ganymede is the largest satellite in the whole solar system. The next planet is Saturn. Saturn is the largest planet after Jupiter in the solar system. Saturn is popular for its peculiar ring system. The ring system of Saturn is made up of a variety of separate particles that rotate in circular orbit independently. Saturn takes 10 hours and 14 minutes to complete its rotation on its axis and take 30 years to complete its one revolution in its orbit around the sun. Saturn has total 47 satellites, Moon among them. Titan is the biggest satellite. The next planet is Uranus. Uranus is first identified as a planet by William Herschel in 1781. Like Saturn, Uranus also has a system of 5 faint rings. Uranus takes 16 hours to complete its rotation on its axis and take 84 years to complete its one revolution in its orbit around the sun. Uranus has 27 satellites. Significant of them are Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, etc. The next and the last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet which appears greenish through a telescope. Neptune is discovered by brilliant scientist J.J. Gill in 1846. Neptune takes 18 hours to complete its rotation on its axis and take 165 years to complete its revolution in its orbit around the sun. Neptune has 13 satellites. More significant of them are Triton and Nereid. Until 2006, there were 9 planets including Pluto, but in 2006, the 9th planet Pluto is categorized as the dwarf planet by International Astronomical Union (IAU).